we at? We at West Virginia.
West Virginia.
We're in West Virginia.
Still.
Yeah, still. We went through Pennsylvania for like 2 seconds to get to where we at now in West Virginia. That was weird. But I'm gonna get y'all another backing video, man. I love, you know, I love backing and shit. So he said 3 or 2. I'm gonna pull into either one of those. He said nobody. He said, I mean, back in. I'm gonna back into either one of those. He said nobody is in front of me. I can pull into either one. So I'm pulling to E3. I'm pulling to the one to the right. You feel me? I mean, this gonna be easy. I mean, I got so much space back there. It don't make no sense. Huh? Who told you I couldn't let your window down? Put your flashes on, man. Flashes on. Flashes on. Oh, and this is a blindside back. Man, I'm blindside backing into this place. It's gonna be hard. What you doing? Oh my fucking God. Oh my God. I'm blind.
Get your words right.
Blind side backing, y'all. And then I'm about to hit this damn tree. I don't give a damn. I'm the king of this shit. Look at this. Look at me. Look at me. Yeah. Alright, let's go. We got away from that tree. Yeah. With the yeah. I'm gonna have to pull up because I'm off, nigga. But that tree was in my way. Oh, I ain't off too bad though. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Let me see. We good. So now I'm gonna go back this way. I'm gonna snake it a little. Hopefully I can snake it good enough. Hopefully I can't fucking snake it good enough. I may as well just go over there, huh? Cause I ain't gonna be able to snake it good enough.
Not these trees.
Nah, the trees. I ain't got that much space. Got that much space. So I'm gonna get over in there. I ain't gonna even go for E3. Who was on that phone? Yeah, I heard you. Alright, boom. Now let's get it right. Let's get over there. Gosh. Man. Hopefully I can get this one pretty good. Man, I'm back pointing to that one. Cause I ain't got no fucking space. Huh? Me, I'm back pointing to the wrong door. I was trying to go into E2, now it got me pointing that fucking E3. No, I ain't gonna hit it. I know what door I wanna be at, but fuck it, watch this. I got you. I got you right here. I said we was gonna go for E2. Fuck that. We back on E3. Ha! And I'm not pulling up again. This is you call an offset back, nigga. I said I wasn't pulling up again, but I got to. Hey, it's cool, you heard me? Shit happens. Shit happens. I ain't bagging up no more. Talking about something going back and forth. Yeah, you know. Hey, it's a process, you feel me? But if you know how to work your trailer, then you really ain't got shit to worry about. See, niggas out here don't know how to work their trailer and shit. And it's real embarrassing. You know what I'm saying? It's real fucking embarrassing. Being able to swing this trailer back and forth is a science. You know what I'm saying? You gotta master this shit, man. I ain't completely mastered it, but I'm good. I'm good enough. You hear me?
You would take enough of time. Just trying to get here and see how many.
I'm good enough that most of these niggas out here is in these trucks. You hear me? No cap. Ain't no cap in my route. Ain't no cap in my route, Nene? No, look at that.
You can let them move.
Alright.
We made it.
Nigga, we made it. Back in video, y'all seen me fucking up on camera. I'm gonna keep it just like that too. I ain't taking nothing out, right? We ain't taking shit out.